Yeah, man, halfway through this. But then I play a skate yard now, even though it's a rave and thing up the road there. Clock tower. Everybody used to come out and New Year like Michael Jackson. But him dead now. A lionheart in that place now. You hear that? I watch me back on them. The bigger than them. Watch out now. Lionheart in that place. Watch me on YouTube. They're on my journey. You see me? Yeah, man, real thing. Yeah, man, I walk through the valley and shadow of death. I'm not fear no evil. I'm going to go to that. You see me? I stop me rolling in that place. Straight. Make me a documentary and be a thing. See a school of them coming. You see me? All they go to that. They're pretty, man. Be a thing. Yo, my dad, but the pavilion there.
Huh?
Pavilion.
Pavilion?
Yeah.
We just a forward from there. I look, we over there, you see. See that building there?
Yeah.
So you go up on here, it's up on your left hand side.
Alright. You hear that pick up yourself here? You see what Jamaican stay them? If you don't ask questions, you know where you go. Pick up yourself.
More than body,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, lionheart in that place. You see me? Real life. Watch out now. You see what about that? You see that man, I send out people for both like cow. Yeah, man. I'm going in that place. Some pretty girl. Yeah. Hold on a bit. I want a soft drink here. I'm not taking a picture of you. A bomb back there where you feel like. Oh, great. Mom, give me a squeeze the place, a cool one. I say, I'm staying in that place. Yeah, but I say, I'm beyond that clock tower, halfway through there. In that place. You see me? Run place. Yeah, man. I get some more style. Here, we soon reach a pavilion.